In a recent survey, 38% of the people in the United States, so we have a percent, say that gas prices have affected the type of vehicle that they're going to buy. In a sample of, which is a total of 500 people who are in the market for a new vehicle, how many would you expect to be influenced by gas prices? So the minute I write down 38 over 100, which is the percent, 100 is the total number of people and 38 is the people who are influenced by gas prices. So keeping that in mind, remember the total is in the denominator. In a sample of 500 people, which is a total of 500 people, we want to find out X, which is the number of people who are influenced by gas prices. So we cross multiply. So 38 times 500 is equal to 100x. We divide both sides by 100 because we want to get x by itself. We divide both sides by 100 and we get 38 times 5 is equal to x. Now 38 times 5, 8 times 5 is 40 and 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4, 19. So let's see what this 90 is. So 190 people out of 500 in the sample are expected to be influenced by gas prices. Now the next one, Yellowstone National Park has 3366 square miles area of undeveloped land. If this area represents 99% of the total area, find the total area, which means we don't know what it is, find the total area of the park. 99 over 100 is undeveloped land over the total area of the land. So undeveloped in the numerator, the total in the denominator. Now 3366 is the undeveloped land. We have to find the total area. So we cross multiply to get 99x, which is equal to 3366 times 100. We divide both sides by 99. Cancel common factors to get x equals 3366 times 100 divided by, so that's 100, divided by 99. 336699. So we know 11 goes into each one of these. 11 goes into 3366. 11 threes are 33. Subtract. Bring the 6 down. 11 goes 0 times into that. 6 minus 0 is 6. Bring the 6 down. 11 sixes are 66. And we get a 0. So this is 306 times 11, which is 3366, times 100 over 9 times 11, which is 99. Next, 9 goes into 306 because 3 plus 0 plus 6. 3 plus 0 plus 6. The sum of all the digits is 9. 9 divides 9, so 9 has to divide 306 as well. So let's divide. I'll do it on this side. 306 by 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract 9 times 4 is 36, and we get a 0. So we have x equals 9 times 34 times 100 divided by 9. We cancel the 9s and we get 34 times 100 is 3400 square miles. Now think about it. Basically, we found that this is 3400. And does it make sense that 3366 is 99% off 3400 square miles?